So now let's take a look at the next package, which is block travel. And this is a very simple package that just gives us a shortcut of Alt up and down, and this allows us to click through blocks of code. So it's going to recognize where curly braces are and things like that and easily jump up and down within them. And it's something that we'll see is built into more advanced IDEs and even some code editors, but because it wasn't default in Atom, we're going to add this little package. So to do that, I'm going to come back into Terminal just because I feel like that's a pretty common developer-y way to begin installing stuff. And I'll simply type out apm install and then block travel. And you'll notice that it doesn't give us this install instructions here, but this is built into how Atom works. That the apm package manager, apm command, allows us to install basically anything that is in their repository using the URL or naming structure there. So I know that this is still going to work. I'm going to hit that, it's installed, and then when I come back into my packages and reload things, block travel is set up. So it's got the Alt up and down and the Alt Shift up and down for highlighting. And let's just take a real quick look at how that works. So let's just open up our editor file here, and I'm going to hold down the Option or Alt key and then just start pressing down, and notice that it's moving pretty quick. It will skip over any blocks, so it's seeing that this is a block, this is a block. It'll jump outside of that. Again, just I find a really quick way to move pretty fast, and this isn't a native feature in Atom, so I like to have that added there. All right, let's pick up the pace here, and I'm going to show you a few more of the navigation options, but I won't show you the installation process for each one. I'm going to assume that at this point that you could go ahead and install it on your own.